Our solar system is changing rapidly, and nobody is talking about it. All the major bodies of our solar system are changing rapidly, but nobody is talking about it. We are seeing rapid observable climate changes occurring on almost every single planet. Pluto's atmosphere has recently collapsed. Neptune's storms have suddenly begun rotating backwards. Uranus' polar regions have been visibly flaring. Jupiter has recently experienced a 700-degree temperature impulse originating from its northern pole, and its great red spot is fading. Mars is suddenly displaying seismic activity. Our own polar regions have warmed drastically recently. The amount of volcanic activity we are seeing is at an all-time high. Venus's planetary winds have increased their velocity by 33% in the last 20 years. It goes on from there. We've recently observed large-scale changes in the ice cover on Jupiter's moon Europa. Large-scale changes in the polar ice cap on Mars. A large-scale decrease in atmospheric pressure on Venus. A mysterious brightening of the atmosphere of Saturn. A mysterious darkening of the atmosphere of Venus. Unusual changes in the temperature and pressure of the atmosphere of Neptune. A brightening of the atmosphere of Jupiter. A mysterious dark spot near the south pole of Venus. Here on Earth, our own magnetosphere is rapidly losing its strength as our magnetic poles continue to race away from their usual positions, wreaking havoc on animal migrations. See all the beached whales over the last couple years, as well as a spike in reports of unusual bird migrations. Things have gotten to the point where we are now updating our magnetic models yearly, and soon there will be zones of flux broken bad enough to cause real danger to flying due to constant magnetic reconnection. Our aurorae are reaching record levels of intensity, with aurorae colorations indicating very high energy intensities being observed. The fundamental electromagnetic nature of this planet is changing rapidly. Electromagnetism is responsible for a variety of effects on living creatures, most especially cardiac and pulmonary health in humans. Volcanic activity on our planet is currently at a record, with more and more volcanoes showing concerning lift, erupting, or showing increases in lava flow. Every single active volcano along the Pacific Rim is showing increased activity. Given only one of two data points, it would be easy to discount the events as isolated and unrelated outliers with no significance. Taken together, however, the total body of evidence becomes impossible to ignore, and, once the presumption is made that this information is known by our leaders, pretty much explains the motivations for their actions. Everything is changing. Nobody is telling you. In fact, they built us a world where these questions are taboo, where every answer leads you away from the glaring, obvious truth, that we live on a planet subject to cyclical cataclysms. Those in power know the next cataclysm is coming soon and have been preparing for a long time. It's just that their plans don't include us. We'll know our disinformation program is complete when everything the American public believes is false. William Casey, former director of the CIA, upon being asked what the goal of the agency was, in 1981. Hey everyone, thanks so much for sticking around until the end of the video. Your support really means the world to me. I truly appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch and engage with my content. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. I've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, so be sure to click the bell icon to stay updated.